Hey everybody, this is Jeff Jones. I am a spokesman for this great website. The best one on the internet. Just kidding. Theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And I'm so grateful that you're tuning in. If you're tuning into this video, it will be on YouTube, it will be on Rumble, it will be on Odyssey. And I'm super, super grateful to share a bit of information with you. Shout out to Fire TV Sticks, Tanya. I watched a video of hers. I got my video capture card. I was able to download OBS Studio, and now I can do my videos on the Mini using OBS by following Fire TV Sticks. Shout out to Tanya. She's probably one of the best out there to do it. In this video, I am really, really excited about the new Formuler Z Mini. And something came to me, and I don't know what it was, but with everything going on with Firesticks and everything, I think most consumers are looking for the good, the better, and the best, so to speak. The three top devices that are really ranging or pushing the market the way it should be pushed. And I'm going to take a look at three of them, and maybe you'll disagree or maybe you will agree. Now, I'm going to say flat out, I have never used a Buzz TV device. I think I tried to use it for about a half an hour and then I sold it because it just wasn't for me. So I'm not going to say that Buzz isn't the best, but it's just not the best to me. All right. So let's take a look at it, and then I'm going to jump on the Formular device, the Z Mini, and just go through some of the things that I like about it and why I consider it to be the best. I already gave it up. So the good, everyone is just raving about the On box. Oh, I have friends, family members, I have clients, older clients that get stuck on these On devices because it has Google TV on it. And it's only $20. And something that's $20 should work well. The On device works extremely well to be $20. Now, there's not a lot of memory, not a lot of side loading, not a lot of different things you can do on it. But if you're either cheap or on an extreme budget crunch where you don't have the money, this is a great device to begin with. It's a good device. For me, when I was new to streaming, I was looking for anything and everything that could get me off of the $260 I was paying for my entertainment every month for over 10 years. I'll let you do the math on that. When I found out that streaming media or streaming is legal in the United States of America, man, it opened up a whole new world to me. And this device from Walmart, the On devices, I heard they're going to make an On stick. These devices are hotcakes for those who are tight with their money. I mean, I'm not going to say cheap because that's derogatory. Just say frugal. They are very, very frugal. Now, one of the other things that others tell me about is because it has Google TV, it makes even the small things or bad content look pretty good. But I don't know the longevity of it. I think there's been 3 revisions of this device over the last 3 years. And I mean, that's not uncommon, but I guess you get what you pay for when it comes to the On device. So that's a very, very good device, a good device to start with. Now, as you grow into streaming and you're looking for a Fire Stick replacement, the On device could be that Fire Stick replacement because it's in that price range and you kind of know what you're getting to. But better than that is the TiVo. I have the TiVo behind me. I did a video, got a bunch of views on it. I'll pop it up here on the YouTube channel. The TiVo is a better device. It's about $39.99, I think, about $40. But it rivals the Fire Stick, and you can see the dongle in the back. And I think Superdell said that he loves this remote so much because it's probably one of the best remotes. I agree. It fits in your hand. It just feels good, and it's very, very responsive for $40. Now, one of the things about the TiVo that I think is a drawback, that if you buy one of these in the States, you have to register this device in the States. So I've had people come to my small YouTube channel and ask me questions about, hey, I live in the Netherlands or I live in the UK, and I don't have the ability to register the device. So that's the downside that TiVo should fix, is it takes it better to because I think an Android device should be open. I don't That's one of the reasons why I don't like Amazon Firesticks. You don't control what I do. You don't tell me what I can watch. And anything that tries to limit you from installing what you want to install, watch what you want to watch, limits you from putting any other aspects to your device, not theirs, is not in my wheelhouse. Don't try to control me when I purchase this device and I own it. It should be free for me to do what I want to with it. And that is a legal thing that you can do. Because I own this device, I can do what I want to it. That's the law. All right? Basically, getting off my soapbox, this is a great streamer for $40. This is a great streamer and is something to look at. Now, the Z Mini. Ooh-wee. I'm going to give you the price of the Z Mini. I looked up online. You got some going for $114.99. You have some going for $129.99. You're like, what? Why would I pay for that for a stick and it only has 8 gigs of expanded memory? I get it, but what makes it the best is the best application they put on it, which is My TV Online 3. I mean, it's sleek, it's slick. Okay. It's very elegant looking. All right. Very. And it has the Bluetooth remote right here. What? Like, they give you the best remote, and they give you all Android 12. There's no other Formuler device that has Android 12. All right. Level 1 Widevine. If you don't know what Widevine is, I'll put a video up. It is for security when it comes to streaming video. It has 2 gigs DDR4 and only 8 gigs of RAM, but that's okay. We're talking about a stick. One of the lovely things you can do is get expanded memory. I can record on this by getting a splitter, okay? A C connection splitter you get from Amazon, $15. So that way I can record my favorite shows. Now it's a hidden gem behind the TV. But this is where the rubber meets the road when you get down to this application right here. My TV Online 3 is probably the best IPTV player in the device. Now, of course, you need to have your own content or someone that has that content for you to use this device to its fullest. But even if you don't, if I start installing Tubi and Pluto and Plex and Local Now, I got my news, I got my movies, my TV shows, and you can also put YouTube TV on here. But what makes it so wonderful is My TV Online 3 and the trends and the innovation that come with that. Now, from the general search to pinning your groups to the notifications and the refreshing of content, this box does it all. One of the best things I've noticed about this box is not only is it smart, but it's very elegant, and it always has the software updates. When you have the best decoding going on, the Bluetooth remote, and no one's talking about this application here. No one. When you have this device or any device from Formuler, Z10 and up, My TV Online Plus from the Google Play Store allows me to connect with the QR code, the device to my cell phone. Now I can scan a code on my device. It will extract all that information from my device to my Android cell phone, Android tablet, and it's legal in the Google Play Store. That's a game changer. Game changer right there. No one's talking about this, but this app makes it a game changer. Now, I don't know when they're going to put it in the Apple App Store. I totally understand that, but it is in the Google Play Store, and it's on many of our devices in our home, and we absolutely love it. We were just up in LA County, and I was able to be in a hotel room with my wife, and we were able to, have the tablet there and not miss anything, and my device is at my house. That is unheard of. So when Formula creates something like this, to me, it's the best going. And you might say, well, Jeff, that's $119. Why would I want that? Because it's the best. If you're going to purchase something, you start with good, you go to better, then you go to best. And we sell these wholesale, so it's not a problem giving you. I give some of my clients, some of our new customers who buy these devices, payment plans. They're $109. I'd give you half. You pay half now, half in a month. Now you own the device. Whatever you need to do when it comes to the Boxman, we will work with you. But don't be too cheap. Sorry. Don't be too frugal and just focus on the price of a Fire Stick or an Onn box or even TiVo when you haven't experienced something like the Formuler Z Mini. I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. I'm extremely grateful that you took the time to watch. I'm extremely grateful, and I look forward to your comments. If you use something that I don't know about and you want me to take a look at it, just make a comment below in the video in the comment section, and I'll get that device and I'll begin to look at it. With that said, thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.